Guys, do you know what's my biggest problem? To make a 10 minutes video on YouTube. I actually was so unconfident when I start a YouTube channel. I thought like, what I'm going to talk about on a 10 minutes video or even in a short videos. But then once I start to feel more confident. And my message to you beginners who want to start your YouTube channel, just start it, just do it, because then more you do it, more confident you become. Unfortunately, I don't see a lot of videos on YouTube where people can motivate each other like YouTubers. I really wanna do more solve problem content, like my YouTube channel about to help women to look great and feel great about themselves, because I think every woman deserves to look great and feel great. When you look great, then you have an amazing energy, you translate, you open new doors in your life. It's kind of like, you know, open a channel, good positive channel to your life, and good things come to you when you're wearing good clothes and you feel better. When you're stuck in the old close with you, you know, you're just translating kind of this I wouldn't say negative, but it's just kind of like the energy where you're stuck in. But once you get something new, you immediately feel much happier, right? So I just had a chat with my partner about like, oh my gosh, I'm not sure what to talk about for 10 minutes video, how to create it. And he said like, you know what, just do it, just put your camera and just talk about it, and that's it. So that's what I'm guys telling you, just do it. Just put your camera, put your lights on. I don't think like I have a good lights because I'm just driving. And this is my partner, Joe Lombardo. He is my motivator. He is my inspiration because he inspired me to do my channel, guys. And I inspire you and motivate you to start your channel for beginners. Like whatever you want to do, just do it. And back to this gentleman, Joe Lombardo. And he inspired me about to do my channel and about the fashion. So I do videos for you, what I'm wearing, how to style these pieces, how you have some ideas how you can dress up, right? And I'm glad I can help you woman or maybe man, I don't know, so how to look and feel great. And so at the moment, this is man, Joe Lombardo. He motivated me today to do this video right now, and I just opened my camera and yeah, even he said, oh, you know, like maybe it's not a good time, it's not good lighting to do video. And I said like, you just inspired me, and then you say it's not a good time and not good lighting. So he said like, okay, do it. So guys, I'm doing my video about wherever you think you're not enough good. So don't think about it, just do your videos, just post whatever you wanna do. What's your darling will be comment about beginners?
My other thing is sometimes you try to figure out, should I do long form content, should I do short form content? And with Marina, she started just doing short form, you know, shorts, yeah. YouTube shorts. And that worked for her. That worked for her to get her started, because she didn't have to think about doing these big long videos and writing scripts and all that other kind of stuff. So she started there, she built her confidence there, and now she's experimenting with long form. So I don't know what the thing is that will be right for you, but maybe it's just start with what feels easiest and try not to get confused about, you know, doing too much too soon. Just start in one place and build from there.
Thank you. So step by step, set up your YouTube channel and just do your videos. Talk about what you passionate about, what you interested. I'm passionate about fashion. I love fashion. I love beautician. I love to dress up. I love shopping. And I believe that people who are good at, we all it's something we're good at, yeah, but we can't be good at everything. So that's why you have your hairdresser. You go to hairdresser and they do your like hairstyle. You go to do, I don't know, to do your PT training, because that person help you to look fit, to look good. So the same about the fashion stylist. A lot of people are afraid to have a fashion stylist. They think, oh no, it's only for celebrities. But guys, it's not. We have just only one life. And can you imagine, you've been living your life and dress up in so many different colors, or like not your style outfit, and did you feel good about it? Did you feel confident in your outfit? And then the stylist come to your place and show you, tell you what's your best colors, how to match these colors, and you know, and show you different colors, and you try on and you see how it looks amazing on you, because it's your colors. It's kind of like, you know, it lift you up, and yeah, it just make you happier, because there's some colors which makes us stress, depress, and not your colors. So, or the same to know your body shape. So once you know your body shape, what's your body shape? It's apple shape. It's how glasses shape. So once you know your shape and you know what to wear according to your body shape, and it's straight away, you know, you save a lot of money on the shopping. So you're just buying your color clothes, you're buying your shape clothes. So it's you know, like, it's saving your time, save your money, and you look much better and you feel better. So don't be afraid to have a consultation with a stylist, because they just show you the base and you can use it forever. So it will stay with you for whole your life. And yeah, and then you just, you know, like from time to time ask them questions. So if you're unsure, for example, how to create your, like, for example, base wardrobe. So there's so many things like which stylists can help you. Even, you know, like you find a new job and how to dress up in the corporates, like, you know, where to find good quality clothes as well, because it's important. So you don't want to buy a lot of clothes and just sit in your wardrobe, but you want to have a good pieces. It's not about expensive, it's affordable. So I'm helping people with your needs, what you're looking, what's your lifestyle, what's you're looking in the future. Maybe you divorce, maybe you're looking to change your wardrobe, or maybe you're looking for a new job, or there's so many things, and everyone has their own things. So if you are interested or in knowing yourself more, because I understand nobody teaches actually about what's your best colors, how to match the colors, what's your body shape, and that's why the people like the stylist can help you. So with your clothes, with your jewelry, shoes, makeup, and underwear as well. So when women wear matching underwear, she feels more confident rather than she's wearing something which is, you know, not so confident. So yeah, there's so many things to talk about it. Yeah, I just want to mention again that I'm really passionate about helping women to look their best and feel, because we all women deserve to look great and feel great and look and live our happier life with our loved one. This is man, and you know, your life could change, and we building our life by themselves. So I start from encouraging to start your YouTube channel and finishing about inspiration, fashion inspiration. So yeah, there's so many things to talk, guys. I'm glad I've done my video, and if you interested in my content, please leave a comment. Let me know what are you interested in, what's your favorite look, what's your biggest problem and challenge, and yeah, so I will reach out to you and we will chat about. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Bye for now.